it's Laura with TuxedoPlanners, back with another plan with me. This time we'll be planning in my Hobonichi weeks for my business, for my Etsy shop, and my YouTube account, my Instagram. So we're going to be planning for week of June 17th through June 23rd. So let's get started, and hopefully I have everything out that I need ready to go. The kit I'm going to be using is a mix of this CoffeeMonsterzCo, this tiny little kit from CoffeeMonsterzCo here. Very tiny. And I did do Once More with Love last week, and I had some leftovers. And if it kind of goes, I might add some of these boxes in to add to this, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet. Then, of course, I have a variety of other stickers as I go. The pens I'll be using will be Erin Condren. This will be my dual tip marker. And then I have 2 of the gel pens I'm going to try out. I'm still trying to find some love with these things, so I keep trying to use them to get some love with them. I will be using some washi. This kit only comes with the little tiny strips of washi here, so I'm going to be using some Simply Gilded washi I got in my May Flowers box, which I thought was pretty, and since this is kind of a theme with flowers, I thought it would go well with that. And then I'll be using the coordinating little one to go there, if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can, there you go, brighten you up just a little bit. There you go. All right, so let's get started. I think I'm going to have to white, first thing I'm going to have to do is white out the verbiage down here. You can see that through, so we're going to do this first. And there we go. No, oops. Try not to tear up my weeks trying to do this. Alright, let's do it over here. And I am going to cover up this little calendar as well, if I can. Or not. I think just completely, well, we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so let's, I think I'm going to lay the little bow washi down first. And here we go. And I hope everyone's doing well today. Today is Sunday. I'm filming this on Sunday. And there we are. And let's see. There, that'll be good. All right, let's get this cut. There we go. And all right, that looks good. I'm kind of happy with that. Let's go on and put it on this side as well. So, and we'll do this. All right, so you can still kind of see that calendar a little bit through this, but it's not going to bother me that much. It's very minimal. As you can see here, it's pretty minimal, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. All right, I'm going to put this back. I do have my little washi thing. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys my little washi stand that I have. I got this at Smoky Mountain Plannerland from the Washi Tape Warrior, which is where I got this from. My husband bought both of these for me. And these are their own design, and they're trying to get them patented, I think. But it's a little washi stand, and there is a piece of rubber or a piece of silicone here. So the washi, as you can see, you know, won't be moving or rolling out when it's on a firm surface. And you can buy others and kind of stack. These are magnetic. These little things here, these are magnetic, and you can buy them and just kind of stack them up as you get washi. But I thought it was cute. My husband definitely must have liked it because he got it for me. And I keep one rack out of my favorite washi sitting on my desk all the time. So I just put that over there. And I will leave a link for that below if you guys are interested in checking out the Washi Tape Warrior. They are a mother and daughter, and they are absolutely the sweetest, kindest people I have met. And I really enjoyed spending the weekend with them. So I will link their shop down below as well. Also, if you guys like my content, please think about subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. And I want to give a shout out to all of my subscribers that I have now. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, so we got that down. I think I'm going to go on and flip the book upside down, and I'm going to go on and put some of this bow washi up top here. And we're going to run that down. I love this little CoffeeMonsterzCo kit. For some reason, I like using these little kits like CoffeeMonsterzCo and Once More with Love little kits in my Hobonichi weeks. I think they're really, really cute. I do need a to-do sticker up here because that's going to be for this week. I need to put it on something. Maybe I can put it on, I'll tell you what. I'll set it on this. I'll put it on this little flag right here and put this little flag up here. There we go. There, that'll work. All right, so I'm going to do that. And then let me go on and put my covers on. Now, I could not write. There's like this little tiny box. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. I couldn't really fit the date in there and read it. So... you know, as you guys know, I'm not a spring chicken. My eyes are not as good as they once were. So I kind of I had to rewrite the dates on the bottom so I could at least see them. And then I ended up missing Thursday and screwing up the dates, of course, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't take a little ride on the struggle bus every time I do a plan with me. And let's see, we'll get Thursday down. But anyway, I do like using these little kits in my weeks, in my work Hobonichi. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just think they're cute. And I really admire these two stores, these two shops a lot. And, you know, especially the little young one, the CoffeeMonsterzCo. She's, you know, just a young girl. And I'm very impressed with what she's done, so I guess it kind of inspires me to with my shop and everything to keep going. And I guess that's maybe why I like using their kits with my work Hobonichi, because it just reminds me of of the goals that I'm trying to aspire to. Even if I'm a lot older than them, they could be my children, but I'm still trying to aspire. You know, you're never too old to learn, and you're never too old to start a new journey. So, and that's what I'm doing. So you can see on Friday I kind of messed that up. I'm going to go on and put a weekend banner down for that. And then I'm going to put a little deco box down over here on the corner where I kind of messed up there. And let's see, I have these little flags, so I'm going to go on and put these little flags down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the days I'm filming this week, I'm going to try and film Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So I'm going to put these guys down on those days. So Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I may film Sunday as well. I don't know. I didn't think I was going to film today, but I decided to go on and just do it. Just do it. Why not? What else am I going to do? Housework? I mean, really. Of course, I could lay around and binge watch YouTube. That's my favorite pastime. I don't know if you guys like to do that, but God knows I sure do. I love to binge watch YouTube. All right, I'm going to put some little check boxes down over here. And I don't know why. You know, I keep thinking that I've got my weather in here. You know how I put my weather on my normal weeks, and that's why I keep wanting to put these little check boxes over there, because I'm like, oh, my weather box. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. All right, so I got that down. I am going to put some of these little guys here. So undoubtedly something will come up. And we'll put down one on Sunday. Then I want to put, not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I think I'm going to move these guys down here. I'm sure something, I'll be planning doing something. And I need to put a strip of washi across here. Oops. So let's see. Okay. And then we're going to put this beautiful little strip of washi here that she included with her kit right across this one right there. All right, so we're done with that sticker sheet. And I'm probably going to do a this week's sticker here for the things that I need to do this week down here. There's some cute little deco, so I'm going to go on and pop in some deco. Put in a little clipboard, a little heart thing for Sunday. I don't know why, I just think it's cute for Sunday. Put a little cloud over here. And I got this cute little P1. She did include a tiny little tracker, so I am going to put a tiny little habit tracker in, and this is probably for my filming schedule. So I'm going to go on and write film. Oh, this is the neon one. I do like the neon. I do like the neons. The neons are the bomb. I just don't like these other ones here. All right, so we're going to put a little film schedule in there. And I got these little boxes. Let's see. I'm going to put that one there. And I did get some. These are from Planner Kate, and then I'm going to be using these. I need a film, an edit, and an upload for that day. I need a film. Let's see. So hold on. I'm going to use a CoffeeMonsterzCo for this one as well. Put that down there. Got all these little stickers. I got to figure out what to do with them. They're so tiny. Look how tiny these things are. Look. And I got tiny little hands. They're tiny, 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 tiny. All right, so I need a film, edit, and something else there, but I don't want to use, maybe I will use this one here. Put that there. We're going to do film. What did I do with my other one? Film, edit, and upload here. And I think we're going to work on some Etsy on some of these other days. I'm going to put some of these little stickers down. I'm trying to get some new items and some new releases in my shop. I just put some new stickers in my shop. If you guys want to go take a look, I left the link below for my shop. All right, so I think I'm going to use this pink one here. I'm going to put Etsy there because I'll probably will do Etsy, because even though I'm not filming, I will still do Etsy on the days that I'm not filming. And computer sticker. So at least signifies that I'm working. And this peach color for this one here. And I already got YouTube stickers. I got some Minnie Mouse stickers I made for my shop, so I'm gonna put a little. Of course, you know I have to have a little Disney on my spread. And I made these cute little Sassy Marie stickers I've got in my shop too, so I'm gonna put her down as well. Probably put her up there. So I have those down. So I'm going to try and film 4 times. And we're going to do the edit and upload. Then I've got some ideas of what I'm going to do. I do need to buy a car mount for my phone. So I'm going to write car mount and put to buy. So, okay, so I've got the car mount. I've got my schedule that I'm going to plan. And I need another film edit and upload again. So that is going to be, what day did I say I was going to do that on? Friday? Okay, so I need another little, so we're going to do a film edit and upload on Friday. And then we're going to do one on Saturday. So another film edit and upload. Didn't come out very well, did it? Let's put that one, let's pick that one up. Edit and upload. With that, then I'm going to probably, let's see, let's do this one. That. And then let me do one of these YouTube stickers for that day. All right, so we have Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Got that. Okay, so let's mark those off. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, got that. Then I've got to film 4 times, upload. I got that. Those are the goals for this week. I do have some ideas of what I'm going to do. I did do the car mount. Can't. Yeah. And the other thing I want to do is work on my new channel, which is what I need the car mount for. I'm just going through making sure I have everything done, guys, but I think I'm done with this. I think this is a pretty short and sweet thing. I also did some Rapunzel stickers too for my shop, but I didn't keep any of those for myself. All right, guys, I think that's everything. So this is what I have so far. So everything's looking good. I've got my to-dos. I've got this week, the things that I want to accomplish. I do have some other things that I'm going to write in as far as filming. So I'll be doing plan with me's. I want to do a what I carry in for my Delfonics bag. And then I think I'm going to set up my new planner for July later on this week as a video. So stay tuned for that as well. So we have some good content coming, I think. So I've got that up. I've got the plan with me's. I might be doing an unboxing depending on if my orders come in. What I carry, we're going to be doing that. And then we're going to set up, and then I'm going to continue to work on my new channel. All right, guys, that's it. With that, guys, please leave some comments below on what you think. I love these little kits. And I'm off. I love you guys. Bye.